Hey guys, in this video, we're just going to look at a brief example of declaring an array in C++ with the syntax that I showed you in the previous video. So let's say that I want to declare an array that stores integers from 1 to 10. Then, here is how I would declare such an array. First, I would write the type of data that I want to store in this array. And the type of data that I want to store is integers. So I will write int. Then I will write the name of the array. Let me call this array nums. Then I would open square brackets, and inside these square brackets, I would write the number of items that I want to store in this array, which in this case is 10. So I would write 10. Now I would write an equal to sign and then open braces. Now inside these braces is where I will fill in all the items that I want to store in the array. And remember that I would separate each item with a comma. So I just want to store all the integers from 1 to 10. So I will go ahead and fill in the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. Finally, I would exit the braces and end the array with a semicolon. So this is my simple array declaration of integer numbers. I have created a list that stores all the numbers from 1 to 10. Now, in the next video, you will learn how to assign values to an array if you have declared an empty array.